I made it to the top of the rock. Now I'm on my way to Victoria's Beach, but it seems to be cut off. The only way I'm getting to Victoria's Beach is if I'm willing to get at least thigh high deep with water. I really bought the wrong shoes. Oh, bro, he was just, what a life. That was his chair? What a life. Look at how deep it gets. It's not playing. It's pretty deep down there. You can see. You don't want to get caught in that current, that riptide right there. That's gonna suck. Welcome to beautiful, beautiful Laguna Beach. It is like the sexiest beach in California. So well manicured and just very nice. So this is parking lot 8. I highly recommend it. If you can't park there, there's actually street parking across the street, which is like $1.50 an hour, which if you just came back from San Diego or even Los Angeles, you're usually paying about $15 for a day pass. So not bad at all. Look at that gorgeous view. This is Laguna Beach, this manicured, beautiful piece of land here with the $1 million condos. This is Laguna Beach. It's just so unreal with the beauty and the detail and the manicure. And it's really, really good. Some of the best beaches in Southern California are here. Look at that. Nice slope, large play area. Look at how gorgeous this place is. Wow, look at that. Here at Laguna Beach in Southern California. When I looked up best runs in Southern California, I don't know how I missed this one because it's so nice. Now it says the rocks are closed, so I'm not too sure what that is. I guess that in front of us, we're about to find out. Oh my gosh, this is what they meant. I just messed up my shoes trying to be, not trying to be like him, but I almost made it that far. The ocean's blocking off a lot of parts of the journey on your way to Victoria's Beach, which is where I'm headed. I want to get pictures at Victoria's Beach, but I mean, I think I've already sacrificed my $130 running shoes. But so that's what I'm saying. If they've been sacrificed, I might as well just continue. Why be a little biatch and give up here? Look at that. That guy we saw earlier who was stranded, well, this is why he was stranded. It doesn't look like it's going to be that difficult, right? Because perception. You don't realize that that's actually a pretty steep drop off right there, and that's another steep drop off on the other end. You're going to have to jump in the water, basically. You have no choice. But I could see how, judging it from this angle, you're thinking maybe I can get across with just getting my shins wet. But nope. It doesn't look like I'm in the United States, does it? It looks so tropical. But this is Laguna Beach. Almost snuck up on me there. Welcome to beautiful, beautiful Laguna Beach. This is Treasure Island. Ran to the end, trying to get to Victoria Beach from Treasure Island. Still no dice. With the rocks closing down some of the waterways, your only bet might be to park on the street and head down through the residential neighborhoods instead of following the beach. We'll see how the cookie crumbles. Doesn't look good. Those waves are breaking real high on the rocks. We might just have to go through the residential neighborhoods to get to Victoria's Beach. Here we are, still on Treasure Island. Looking down, I still cannot see Victoria's Beach. I could see I would have a long trek ahead of me. Unless I'm looking at it right now and I don't even realize it. You might have to reapproach this situation. Here we are at the other end of Treasure Island. I love the clear water. This place is absolutely beautiful. Great for photography. See all types of photography here. Wow. I read this, I was literally about to climb to the top of this and take pictures. Wow, good call, because this looks very walkable. That looked very doable. That looked extremely doable. But just FYI, this giant mound here, you can't climb on it. It's called Golf Island. They even named it so that you can name your plight. I'll never be able to climb Golf Island. Well, not on camera. I'm sure someone has. Welcome to Treasure Island, Laguna Beach, California. This is BAM Media, and we're taking you on a tour of Laguna Beach here in California, specifically Treasure Island. Next, Victoria Beach. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. That was insane! Oh, my shoes! Oh, son of a gun. You better go get those. Ah. That was a close call.